This is Veterans Memorial Walk down in Duchesne's Park. You see some of the pictures. And these monuments, you see these monuments in groups of pictures. But I'm going to show you up here. You've seen this. You see these names on these stones. Those are all people that have served, died for the country. But what I really want to show you is back here. So I didn't get a good picture of this wall before. But anyway, all these stones that you see have names of people on them. This is a monument erected by the city of Nashville. Some of their names dedicated. We should have monuments on the side. Yeah, as you can see that. U.S. Army, U.S. Marines, hoorah, Iwo Jima. U.S. Navy, Air Force, Coast Guard, Seabees. Coast Guard, Seabees. My brother-in-law's a Seabee. I thank God for his service. This is the center of the monument again. The other dedications to Nashville, nurses, dedications to the WAC, dedications to Women Marine Corps, I believe. The Waves, the Navy service women. Woman Air Force, I believe, and the Spars, I don't know. I'd have to look that up. This is Duchesne's Park. See pictures of the Purple Heart Monument up there. Those are the monuments you see pictures of. This is on the Railroad Square. There's Dunkin' Donuts right there. I don't know if they're franchising that, but across the street and show you trees are in the way. See how our flags are flying today. This is Grace Fellowship Church behind that tree. This is looking south on Main Street. Let me show you this Purple Heart Monument. It's uncovered, huh? Then what's it say? America's Cost of Freedom. And this is put up, I don't know when, so I couldn't tell you. That number has risen, I'm sure. It's Grace Fellowship Church. And there's Bicentennial Monument. Can't really see it, but I will show it to you on here. Just finished work on the bridge. You're working on the other side now. Looking north on Main Street. This is the Old First Church. You'll see a video of that, showing you the bricks and some little history. I'll bring you up around this so I can show you the library. These branches weren't here before. There you go. The Hunt Library. First library built in 1903. Graham, you and Ferguson, I believe. That's how we're gonna end this little part of the tripsofgulliver.com.